Okay, hello everyone. We are trying the number 3 requirement, simple multi-database system, because the reason I required you to do this, sometimes your project becomes so big or you are combining many projects and you have to access data from different databases. So I gave this exercise and requirement. We have King James SQL, which we can download here. So how do you download it from your from your server? First of all, to connect to your server, type SSH. Okay. You should watch the previous video from the previous requirement on how to set up the IP address. And then when you can ping the server 192.168.56.2, you SSH to it. And then when you are logged in, we installed a command wget. How did we install wget? This is how we installed wget. We typed, the command for installing wget is sudo apt install wget. Wget is a web browser for the terminal. It's already installed. So the next command that you have to type, my friends, is this one. Wget, and then you paste the URL, copy this URL, copy this one, and type wget and press enter like this. So it will be downloading the King James version and saving it to the folder here. Next thing you have to do is type wget and then download, copy the URL here, copy, and then paste it here by right-clicking your mouse. When you paste, it right-clicks like this, okay? So type wget and then right-click and then press enter. I already pressed enter. It took 17 seconds, so I'm not going to repeat it. Anyway, the files are here now, right? So the requirement says in number 3, make a database for King James and a separate database for EG White. So let's create. But to create a database, we have to okay, let's see if we can create like this. Create database EG White. Oh, it worked. Create database KJV. Aha, it worked. So now let's import. Do you know how to restore backup of database? No? Okay, this is how to do it. For example, we PSQL EG White KJV. This is how, my friends, this is how you restore a database from backup. Actually, KJV and EG White are backups of database. Just press I and then KJV -WinGP SQL TXT. See what happens. I hope everything is correct. You see, insert. It is inserting 31,102 verses into the Postgres database. It also already includes the create. Ano to? Ito yung okay. Ito yung API. Okay, my friends. It takes some time. I wish I timed it. Oh, it's taking time. Okay, it's finished. Select count asterisk from KJV. From Bibles. There's 31,102 verses in the King James Version. So if I describe Bibles, select asterisk from Bibles where verse has, let's count how many love in the Bible. Oh, count. 546 love. Verses with the word love in the Bible. How about law? 534 law. How about shalt? Oh, so many commandments. Thou shalt not, thou shalt not. How about command? Oh, many. How about grace? Okay. Since it's week of prayer, we will just query. Okay, my friends. Next thing to do is make a database for Ellen G. White. Okay, we already made a database for Ellen White. Let's just quit this one by typing \Q. And then let's connect. But if you want to list your database, PSQL-U Postgres-L, it will list all your databases in the Postgres installation. So as you see here, my friends, sorry. We have E.G. White database, KJV database, Postgres database. So let's connect, let's PSQL to E.G. White database now. By the way, let me show you what's inside. Inside the KJV file, we have a drop table, create table, and insert 31,000 times. Guess what's inside the E.G. White? Inside the E.G. White file, it's too big. I already typed it. Sorry. I just less it. Inside the E.G. White file, we have a create table and all the paragraphs of Ellen White writings. Okay. So we will time let's see if this will work. What's going on here? I'm trying to time this command. I will cut and pipe it to PSQL-U. I wonder. Okay. So it is inserting now 250,000 paragraphs. Kailan kaya ito matatapos? But you know what? I can just press Control C. Anyway, it doesn't have to be complete. I did not say complete. So you can wait for it if you want a complete E.G. White database. But what I'm going to do, because this is just a demo, I'm just going to press Control C. My friends, what's going on? Are you okay? Or you need attention? So let's see what's inside E.G. White writings. Okay, let's see. Okay, there's 16,000 paragraphs there. So if we look for example, let's look for grace verse contents. It's supposed to be contents. Let's describe first the E.G. White database. Contents. So the field name is contents. Okay, there are 782 paragraphs out of the 16,000 that we did not finish that have grace. Okay, my friends, we can now search the Bible for keywords and we can now search Ellen White writings for keywords. Diba? No problem. In the last 4 minutes, this is what we're gonna do. We are going to tell our friend AI Studio. I am recording. Yes. He'll just ask this friend to please save. Okay, let's just reset. Okay, my friend, please make a PHP simple, nice search engine for KJV and EGY text that searches for keywords. Here, the connection, I'm lazy. Okay, the database, host, localhost, user, Postgres, password. Do you know our password? A. Table, Bibles. Okay, let's just describe the ano. I'm just going to copy this one, press enter, and give it to our friend. Okay. For EGY text, I'm just going to copy this one. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put DB name. DB name is EGY. /Q disconnect. /D EGY writings. I'm just going to select this one, press enter. Why am I showing? So that our friend can see the itsura of the tables, right? And then, yes, the instruction is please make a simple, nice, okay, show KJV search hits first, then EGY search hits second. Thank you. I will not say thank you. Okay, what we did in our prompt, please make PHP. Okay, anyway, this is recorded so you can see what we did. And then we're just going to say run. Did we say password already? Yeah. Run. We have 1 minute more. Okay. Since we have 1 minute more, let me go straight to OPT and put project number 3. OPT, while it's still thinking, it's thinking here. See, it's thinking, it's finished thinking. You just copy the code without thinking. Apache htdocs. Let's make another folder named 3. Because this is project number 3. And then let's make another file named index.php. Let's paste the code. Click Ctrl S. Go to our URL and type our supposed to be URL 3 and see if we can search love. Okay. Bible has so many words love, and Ellen White writings has so many words love. Come on, can you please highlight the word? Please highlight the word. This is just extra. The search terms in the results. Now naman, it's common sense naman eh. Control Enter. Yan o, please highlight the search terms in the results. My friend, programming is about English. Diba? Now I will teach you English. You can teach English, you can learn English by reading English. Of course, it says, of course. It's already time. Sorry about that. Of course, of course, of course. We'll just copy this, paste it here, overwrite everything, Control S, and then let's go here again, my friends. What happened? Okay. Love, 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 love. How about command? Ments. Yes, my friends, it highlighted all the commandments. My friends, did you ever say you should tell how many results first? Okay, let's complain. In 2025, programming is about complaining. Please also tell how many results first. Okay, okay, okay. Yes. Like talking to a small boy. See? Very easy. Now we have 3 points. There's nothing to do in life but to talk to AI. Okay, let's see the result. You think life is easy until AI makes errors. Then you have to understand what it's doing. Okay. Hurry up, my friends. We are 123. We're supposed to dismiss 120. Okay, copy. By the way, we are finished already. I'm just decorating. I'm just decorating our project because oh, di ba? Wow, found 168 results in KJV. And in EG White, found 236 results. Do you have any question? No question? Because if you have question, you ask our friend, AI Studio. Okay, okay?